In today's video, I'm going to show you how to request content rights from creators in Taggbox. First, log into your Taggbox dashboard and open the social feed that contains the creator posts you want to use. Next, head over to the moderation section and select the content you'd like permission for. Once selected, click on the Get Rights or Content Rights option. Taggbox will automatically generate a permission request message that you can send directly to the creator through the connected social platform. Before sending the request, you can customize the message to match your brand voice and make the request more personal. After the creator replies with the required approval hashtag or confirmation, Taggbox automatically updates the rights approval status for that post. Requesting content rights helps your brand stay legally compliant, while also building trust and stronger relationships with creators and customers. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.